Working on the weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. People swear they past us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. People got me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I'll tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this ish too plush. Say my days are numbered, but I keep waking up. Know you see my texts, baby, please say something. Why I'm by the glass and man a cheapskate, huh? People gotta move up my release date, huh? And hey, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about, watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell her if it is what it is, ayy. Said what I had to and did what I did, ayy. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid, ayy. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb-ish. Working on the weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. People swear they past us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, darling. Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met, yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no, yeah. I wanna take you out on a dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl. I wanna do something that they call crazy, call you my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily. Keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing. Hearts racing when I'm with you, I'm just saying